Investor relations networking. I am a free agent on the investor relations and finance market. I'm grateful for those of you who've reached out in the last couple of weeks about opportunities and helped me get in touch and have some early conversations. And that's what today's post is about, is, my career. I am a free agent and looking for the next best opportunity of a company that can utilize my values. And what I want to start with is one of the things I was most proud of in my previous role that I just vacated was the ability to drive investor interest when there was none. And one of the things that we did really well is we were able to get high quality investor meetings, think Fidelity, Putnam, others, when there was really no interest in the organization. And I think this is a really important feature of good investor relations officers, in that you need more than just execution for investors to get excited about a stock. You need good storytelling. And that's where a really good investor relations officer comes in, is that he or her can provide that storytelling that drives engagement when there was none previously. And so this leads me to, what is my brand in investor relations? Well, my brand has become one of the turnaround artist or fix-it guy. Everywhere I have worked, there has been some sort of problem that I have inherited with the program, and my job has been to correct it, optimize it, and ultimately help us unlock significant shareholder value. Across the four companies I've run IR at, we've unlocked over $20 billion in value across those three companies in three takeouts, which is extremely successful. And the point here is, it's very difficult to be that turnaround artist or fix-it person, because your tenures sometimes are shorter than what an HR person might like or perceive as high quality. And so my career, I've developed this high quality consulting investor relations expertise, where I've stepped into extremely complex, high impact opportunity roles where I bet on myself. And not only have I come out very successfully by unlocking a lot of value, but I've developed a lot of skills and knowledge and nuance that other investor relations officers don't have when they sit in the same job for 5 years. So what am I looking for next? Well, essentially, I'm looking for opportunities in investor relations or finance that involve public companies or companies that want to go public. I think where my best skill set is, it's in driving investor engagement, storytelling, and unlocking value for companies that want to be on the public market. And really what I need from people are advocates. I need to connect with people who can get me in processes or connect me with decision makers that want someone with a very attractive consulting background that wants to sit in a role that is in-house, in a long-term role to help the company optimize their narrative and unlock shareholder value. I've won awards both from the National Investor Relations Institute, 40 Under 40. I won Institutional Investor, and therefore I've got a great background, great knowledge that I would love to use to help you. So if you're someone who knows of open investor relations opportunities, or know of key decision makers that need to get in touch with a person of my expertise, please reach out and help us get connected. Thanks for watching.